Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 9 fractions in that exercise 9b. So let's discuss homework answers first. Third question, simplify in that I 25 minus 21 by 2 plus 15 3 by 5 minus 5. So on solving you will get the answer 15 1 by 10. Next J 9 by 14 minus 1 2 by 7 plus 4 3 by 7 minus 1 2 by 21. The answer is 229 by 42. Next topic, multiplication of fractions. A multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. That is, a fraction will be there, a whole number will be there. Multiplication of that two numbers you need to find. So fraction into whole number, you can find the product by using this equation. That is, numerator of the fraction you can multiply by the whole number. Numerator of the fraction into whole number divided by denominator of the fraction. Let us take one example, 4 by 25. By multiply 4 by 25 by 3. So 4 by 25 into 3 you need to find. So here the numerator it is 4 into the whole number it is 3. So 4 into 3. You can use this equation. 4 into 3 divided by denominator it is 25. So you will get 12 by 25. Okay. Next B, multiplication of fractional number by another fractional number. So this is the formula. Product of two fractions you can find by numerator of first fraction into numerator of second fraction divided by denominator of first fraction into denominator of second fraction. It is easy. Multiply the numerators of two fractions by multiply the numerator of denominator of two fraction. Okay. So example, let us take find the product of the following fraction in that 8 by 15 into 2 by 3. So you can find the product by multiplying the numerator and multiplying the denominator. Okay. So 8 by 15 into 2 by 3 equal to 8 into 2 by 15 into 3. So you will get 16 by 45 answer. Multiplication of more than two fractional numbers. It is same as product of two fractions. Okay, same method only, that is multiply the numerators then by multiply the denominators. Okay, so here product of two or more fractions, it is product of all the numerator of the fractions by product of all the denominator of the fractions. In this way you can find the product of two or more fractions. Okay, so let's see properties of multiplication. First one, changing the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. That is, if you are finding the product 1 by 2 into 3 by 7 into 5 by 9. Okay, this product will be equal to 3 by 7 into 5 by 9 into 1 by 2. That is, order of fractional number it is changed here. 3 by 7 into 5 by 9 into 1 by 2. Okay, so these two product will be equal. Changing the order will not change the product. Okay, next the product of a fraction and 1 is the fraction itself. For example, 5 by 6 into 1 it is 5 by 6. A fraction into 1, it will be that fraction itself. 1 by 2 into 1 it is 1 by 2. 3 by 4 into 1 it is 3 by 4. Any fraction into 1 it is that fraction you will get. Now the product of a fraction and 0, it will be 0. So 5 by 6 into 0 you will get 0. 1 by 2 into 0 it is 0. 3 by 4 into 0 it is 0. Okay. So exercise 9C, A 5 by 28 into 7. So product of a fraction and a whole number. So product of a fraction and a whole number you can find by multiplying the numerator. Here numerator is 5. So 5 into the whole number. Here whole number is 7 divided by denominator of the fraction, it is 28. So you will get 5 into 7, it is 35 by 28. This is the product. Next, B, 20 by 21 into 7 by 10 into 1 by 2. Product of 3 fractions you need to find. It is easy. Product of 2 or more fraction you can find by multiplying the numerator by multiplying the denominator. That is product of numerator by product of denominators. So product of numerator, it is 20 into 7 into 1. 20 into 7 into 1 by product of denominator, it is 21 into 10 into 2. Okay. Now you can cancel 20 and 10. It will go in 10. Okay. So it is 2 here. 2 and 1. Okay, 20 divided by 10 it is 2, 10 divided by 10 it is 1. Now 2, it is 1. 2 divided by 2 it is 1. Now 7, it will go in 7 one time. Now 21 also go in 7 3 times. So 1 into 1 into 1, it is 1 in the numerator by 3 into 1 into 1. 3. So 1 by 3 is the answer. C, 4 by 5 into 11 by 16 into 5 by 8. So product of 2 or more fractions. That is 3 fractions. So find the product of numerator by product of denominators. Okay, so product of numerators, it is 4 into 11 into 5 by product of denominators, it is 5 into 16 into 8. Okay. Now 5 and 5. It will go in one time. In 5. 5 by 5 it is 1. Now 4 and 16. 4 will go one time in 4. 4 divided by 4 you will get 1. 16 divided by 4 it is 4. Okay. So the answer will be 1 into 11 into 1, it is 11 by 1 into 4 into 8, it is 32. So 11 by 32 is the answer. F, 4 by 5 into 1, 6 by 7 into 0. So you know one property of multiplication, that is any fraction into 0 you will get 0 only. So the answer, full answer, any number of fractions into 0. If one number it is 0 means the whole result will be 0 only. Okay, so F answer it will be 0. Any fraction into 0 it is 0. So again if you multiply that as 0 by another fraction you will get 0 only. Okay, if any of the number it is 0 means the product will be 0. Okay. Next G, 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 into 3, 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. So here you can convert the mixed fractions to improper fraction. So 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 2. It is 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Into 4 by 5 into 3, 1 by 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Into 4 by 5. So here you need to find the product of 2 or more fractions. Okay, more than 2 fractions are coming here. So product of all numerators by product of all denominators. Okay, in this way you can find the product. So equal to 1 into 5 into 4 into 7 into 4. 1 into 5 into 4 into 7 into 4. This is the product of all numerators. Now product of all denominators, that is 4 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 4 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. Now here 4. Here also 4. So one time. Okay. Now 4 and 2. 4 divided by 2 it is 2. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Okay, now this 2 and here 1 2 is there, so 2 by 2, it is 1. Now 5 and 5, it is also 1. Now 1 into 1 into 1 into 7 into 1, it is any fraction into 1, it is 7 only. I mean that number only. Okay, 7 into 1, it is 7. Now here 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 5, you will get 5. So 7 by 5, this is improper fraction. So you can convert this to mixed fraction. So 7 can be divided by 5. 7 by 5, you will get 5 into 1, 5, 2. Quotient 1 and remainder 2. So the answer you can write in mixed fraction, quotient by remainder by divisor. Okay, so 1, 2 by 5 is the answer. Exercise 9C, D and E do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.